Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. Dear students, our schools are closed for pandemic coronavirus. So some teachers are trying to take class through online. Today I will take a class and you will watch it through my YouTube channel, through my Facebook page. Dear students, okay, let's our class. Dear students, welcome to my class again. This is your Virendra sir. This is my Facebook page. You can visit my Facebook page if you want to watch the class again. And this is my email number. If you have any query or if you want to share anything, you can send email to this email number, and this class will be effective for the students of class 8, 9, 10. Okay, dear learners, all of you see a picture. What is the picture about? The picture is about garbage. People like garbage. Dear learners, is the sentence right? Or here like is the appropriate word? Of course no, because no one like garbage. This sentence is not correct, or specifically you can say that here like is not a correct word. Here the word like is not appropriate. If we use dislike, the sentence will be correct. Here dislike is appropriate. Another picture. What is the picture about? In the picture you can see a girl or a child. The child is very beautiful. Here is beauty a correct word? Of course not. Beauty is not appropriate. So, what will be the appropriate word? If we write the sentence like this, the child is very beautiful. Here, beautiful is a correct word. So, dear learners, here, this is sits before like, and the new word is dislike, and here full, we use full after beauty, and the new word is beautiful. But so can you say what might be our today's lesson? Our today's lesson is, of course all of you have understood that our today's lesson is prefixes and suffixes. I divide my prefixes and suffixes chapter into 5 parts. Today I will take part 1. So what is our today's lesson? Our today's lesson is prefixes and suffixes part 1. After learning outcome, after the lesson, you will be able to know, define prefix and suffix, identify prefixes and suffixes, add suffixes to make new words, to make various nouns using suffixes. Affix. Affix can be categorized into two ways. Prefix. Here, this is used as prefix. If we use something before a word, it is called prefix. And after adding something before a word, we will get a new word. Here, dislike is a new word. So, what will be the definition of prefix? Prefix is added at the start of a word to make a new word. So, dear learners, have you got the idea what is prefix? Prefix is something that we use before a word to get a new word. Okay, clear? Now, beauty, and after beauty we will use full. The new word is beautiful, and this is suffix. So, have you got the idea what will be suffix? If you use something after a word to get a new word, it is called suffix. Okay, here is the definition. Suffix is added at the end of a word to make a new word. Okay, here are 4 examples, and read the examples please with me. I am sure of it. We sure our participation. We sure saw him. We got sure from him. And you can see that in all the 4 examples there is a common word: sure, 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 sure. In every sentence there is a common word. Now you have to use prefix or suffix to make the sentence meaningful. I am sure of it. You have to use unsure. So you have to use unsure, make it verb, make it adverb. You have to use surely, and make it object or noun. You have to use surety. So now we know the rules. Here, unsure. Why does prefix and suffix vary in different sentences? This is a very crucial question for the students. In every sentence, we saw that sure, 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 sure. But now we use unsure, unsure, surely, surety. So, various form of word. Why does prefix and suffix vary in different sentences? The first sentence, I am unsure of it. This is verb, this is adjective, and it may be noun also. If we see that here is a verb, and after verb we have to use adjective or noun. So if you want to add something as suffix or prefix, you should bear in mind that after be verb, here the word will be adjective or noun. So here be verb adjective is appropriate. For complement it will be noun. The word will be adjective or noun. Here sure is an adjective being replaced by another adjective taking the prefix an is appropriate. So I make it appropriate adding an before sure. Okay, dear learners. The second example, we ensure our participation. Here we subject ensure verb. If we see the gap after subject the gap will be verb, and if you want to make it verb, after subject there will be verb, and here sure, the word sure, the word sure make it to make it verb, the word sure, before the word sure you have to use an. We surely saw him. Here we subject, saw verb, and subject and verb. Between subject and verb the word will be adverb. And if you want to make it adverb, ly will be added after the word. The last one, we got surety from him. We subject, got verb, and surety object or noun. So subject, verb, and then noun or object will be correct form. If you want to make it noun or object, you have to add ty to make it noun or object. So we firstly need to identify which part of the speech is appropriate in that targeted place. Okay, dear learners, this is very important thing. If you see the gap, to fill the gap adding suffix or prefix, you have to bear in mind that which parts of speech will be used here. If you know this, you can add appropriate prefix or suffix here. Okay, dear learners, we firstly need to identify which part of speech is appropriate in the targeted place. Let us do some more examples by using prefix or suffix to make noun in the targeted place. Now we will know for noun in the targeted place. Truthful is a virtue. All of you know that here is be verb, and a great virtue this is, and before be verb here will be subject. What will be here? Here will be subject. And subject is of course noun. So to make it noun, what will be the answer, dear learners? Can you say? The answer will be truthfulness. Here truthful is adjective being replaced by a noun taking the suffix ness. Okay, next one. We made develop in study. Here we subject, made, verb, and all of you know that after subject and verb, what will be here? Here will be object or noun. And if you want to make it noun, what will be added here? Of course, here meant will be added. Dear learners, verb and after verb the word will be noun, and if you want to make it noun, what will be added? Development. Ment will be added. The right word will be development. Develop is a verb being replaced by a noun taking the suffix ment. Sorry, there is a mistake. Ment. The correct form will be meant. It is educate which is necessary. So, what will be the correct form here? You can know it in two ways. All of you know that after verb the word will be adjective or noun. This is one, and we can also know in this way that relative pronoun, the word antecedent will be noun or pronoun. So the word will be noun, and if you want to make it noun, what will be added here? ION. Dear learners, what will be added here? ION. Subject and object indicates the same thing or person, it will be complement. You can say it complement also. We know that after verb the word adjective or noun, and it is also called complement, and the complement word will be here noun. If you want to make it noun, what will be added here? Of course, ION. So dear learners, here it will be written here ION. He was asked for assist. Dear learners, here for is preposition, and here the word assist. All of you know that from the parts of speech chapter. All of you know that after preposition the word will be noun. So if you want to make it noun, what will be added here? ANCE. The word ANCE, preposition, and after preposition the word will be noun. If you want to make it noun, assistance, ANCE. So assist is a verb being replaced by a noun taking the suffix ans. Dear learners, another example, he is well known for his. Here able is written, but this is not correct form. The correct form will be, dear learners, do you guess? Of course, this is preposition, this is adjective or possessive, and all of you know that after preposition the word will be noun or noun phrase. If here it is adjective, and we know that after adjective the word will be noun. To make it noun, what will be added here? ITY. Preposition, noun phrase, the last word of the phrase will be a noun. It will be a noun. To make it noun, ability. To make it noun phrase. Here, his and ability, the two words combinedly make noun phrase. In my class next we will be able to know how we will make noun phrase. So now you only know that his and ability combinedly make noun phrase, and here the word able will be ability as noun, and what will be added here? ITY. Dear learners, I beg your humble in bracket permit, and this is not correct. So what will be here? And again you know that, again you see that here your is a possessive case, and after possessive case the word will be noun phrase, and it will be of course noun. The last word will be of course noun. Adjective, and It will be of course noun. It will of course noun, and to make it noun, what will be added here? Do you guess, dear learners? Here the word is permit. Of course, have you got the idea? Here will be added ION. ION or SION. The word humble permission, and this is noun phrase. So the rules is SION will be added here. Dear learners, another example, and this is very important. And this rule is used in suffixes and prefixes also. This rule is also useful for capitalization and punctuation chapters. He is a singer, in bracket act, in bracket social, and elective. So here 3 words in brackets. All of you know that if we use comma, if we use and, if we use or, if we use but. Dear learners, again please, if we use comma, if we use and, if we use or, if we use but, to add more than one words, all the words will be same participes. Do you know it? Of course, thank you. Dear learners, here the word is singer. It is noun. So the rest of the words will be noun also. So you have to make it noun, you have to make it noun, you have to make it noun. And if you want to make this noun, so what will be added here? The word is act. The word will be? Yes, the word will be actors. The word noun, comma, and noun. Both sides of and or but, comma, I have told it before. The word must be same participes, and the word will be noun, actor. Noun here, noun. This is socialist, and the word will be electrician. The word will be electrician. So the rules here act, social, electric are replaced by the nouns taking suffix or, ist, and ian. Okay. Now fair work. This is impossible now because you are not before me. So you have to do it. You have to do it at home by yourself. Make various nouns adding suffixes from below. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12 suffixes are given here. You have to make a new word adding this. At first, operate, which will be added after operate from here. Of course, which will be added here? Operation. Fine, thank you. So the next one, which will be added here? Of course, you have got the idea. Meant, amusement. Which will be added here? Meant. The new word will be amusement. And which one will be added here? Which suffix will be added here? From this 10 suffixes, th. Okay, dear learners, th will be added here. And the new word will be, dear learners, the new words will be truth. Fine. And after feel, which will be added? Feeling. Fine, thank you. ing. And possible. After possible, which will be added? ity. Fine. You have done very well. Possibility. The new word possibility. Idol. After idol, which word from here? Which word will be ability? Ness. Fine. fine, NESS, ness. The new word will be idleness. Admit. After admit, which prefix will be used? SION, fine. Admission. Child. Which word? Hood. The new word will be childhood. And after dinner, differ. ENCE. Okay, fine. Difference. Patriot. After patriot, which word will be used here? Okay, fine. ISMism. Patriotism. And after people, which word will be added? As. Peopleless. The new word will be peopleless. And last one will be chief. And the new word will be citizenship. Fine, thank you. Another slide. Let us see the structures of noun phrase. I have told you that next we will be able to know how we will make noun phrase. Okay, given here noun phrase, adjective and noun. If you see that first word is adjective and the second word, the last word is noun. This adjective and noun make noun phrase, combine noun phrase. Okay, main word, suffix, here great. The noun word, expectation, great expectation. Adjective, great is adjective, noun is expectation, main word expect, and suffix, here suffix is ION or ATION. Adjective heart, noun suffering, heart suffering. This two word is called noun phrase. And suffering, the word suffering comes from suffer. Here suffer is main word or base word and ing is suffix. So please let's see suffer plus ing. Another example, true nationalism. Here true is adjective, nationalism is noun. True nationalism is noun phrase and the word nationalism comes from nation or national. National. The word nationalism comes from national and after national you have to use ism to make noun. Heavy temperature. Heavy temperature. The word heavy temperature is noun phrase. And here temperature, the word temperature, the main word will be temperate. And you have to use here URE. Okay. So at first you saw that adjective and noun make noun phrase. Now you will see that article plus noun. Article and noun combinedly make noun phrase. Marius. Marius. The word Marius comes from Mary. So Mary is main word or base word and after Mary you have to use AZE. Okay, another example, the wisdom. The word wisdom comes from wise. And after wise you have to use dom. Okay, next slide. Noun phrase, possessive plus noun. First of all, you saw that adjective plus noun jointly make noun phrase. Secondly, you saw that article plus noun make noun phrase. Now you will see that possessive plus noun will make noun phrase. Main word and suffix. My accountant. Here my is possessive, accountant is noun, and the word accountant comes from account. The base word or main word is account. So have a look please. Main word account. A and T will be added here. Another example is competition. The word competition is noun, and here the word noun, how will it make the competition? The base word will be compete. The base word will be compete. And can you guess what will be added after compete, dear learners? Yes, fine. Added ITION. Our childhood. Our childhood. Child and hood. Okay. Another rule. Demonstrative class noun. Demonstrative class noun jointly make noun phrase. This with the word with is noun, and the word with makes from the base word white. So dear learners, main word white, and after white you have to use, can you guess? Yes, fine, dear learners, TH. Another example, this friendship. The word friendship is noun. All of you know that. The word friendship is noun, and here friendship comes from friend, and after friend you have to use ship. Okay. Evaluation. We have come at the end of my class, and now this is feedback from you, and in this slide you will know a new thing, a new important thing, the use of noun. Where we use noun in a sentence. Dear learners, this is a feedback from you, and at the same time you can know where we use noun in a sentence. Verb and subject. The subject will be noun. Verb plus object. The object will be noun. Subject plus verb plus